Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing and coloring one of the biggest, kindest animals on Earth. Can you guess what it is? That's right, an elephant. Look at those big ears, that long trunk, and that cute, happy smile. If you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a fun adventure. Let's get started drawing and coloring our elephant today. It's going to be so fun to see it come to life right on your paper. As we draw, let's talk about elephants. Did you know elephants are the largest land animals in the whole world? Some are even taller than a house. Elephants live in warm places like Africa and Asia, and they love being with their big elephant families. They walk together, play together, and even take mud baths to cool down. What color would you choose for your elephant's ears? Maybe soft pink, bright purple, or even a rainbow elephant? Remember, your elephant can be any color you want because you are the artist, and artists can create anything from their imagination. You're doing a fantastic job already. Let's keep drawing and coloring our gentle giant. Now, let's pretend you're walking through a big, sunny savanna. Suddenly, you hear a loud trumpet sound. Toot toot! It's a friendly elephant waving hello with its trunk. Hello there, it says. Want to go for a splash in the watering hole? You climb up on the elephant's back and it gently walks you across the grass. You see zebras, birds, and maybe even a baby elephant with its mommy. Would you ride an elephant if you could? Where would you go on your elephant adventure? Let's learn some cool things about elephants as we finish our drawing and coloring. Elephants have big flappy ears that help them stay cool, trunks that work like noses and hands. They can pick up peanuts, and they can weigh as much as 3 cars. Here's a funny fact: elephants can't jump, not even a little bit. Can you imagine an elephant trying to jump rope? Boing, boing, thud! Now here's a silly question. If an elephant wore shoes, how many would it need? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your elephant drawing is looking amazing! Some elephants love to play in the mud. It keeps their skin safe from the hot sun. You can even draw some mud puddles or banana trees next to your elephant, or maybe give your elephant a fancy hat. What would you name your elephant? Would it be Ellie, Jumbo, Trunky, or maybe something super silly? If you're enjoying drawing and learning with us, give us a big smile and tap that subscribe button. We love having smart, creative friends like you join our adventures. Wow, look at your elephant now! You did such a great job drawing and coloring. Keep going! Let's remember what we learned. Elephants are the biggest animals on land. They can't jump, but they love water. And they're super smart and friendly. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!